Hi, my name is Sean Shidala, and I'm one of the members of the Team Tech Phantoms, and today I'll be showing you our app, WeCare. Today's agenda. We're going to go over the problems that have been posed by the pandemic, we're going to go over our solution, the features for the app, and I'll be showing you a quick demo at the end. The problems. There are three main problems because of the pandemic: economic problems, social problems, and health problems. Our solution, WeCare. WeCare is a multi-purpose application. It aids affected people, and it's also multi-platform. We have a secure registration. Essentially, when you register for our app, your information is completely private and safe. You can sign up to be either a donor or a recipient. If you sign up to be a donor, you essentially say that you can help other people. If you sign up to be a recipient, you're essentially saying that you need help, and we connect the donors to the recipients. We have a group chat feature, which essentially is like a town post where you can say, hey, I need blankets, or hey, I'm giving out jobs, and you can coordinate through there. We have a locate others feature, which essentially means that when you go into a park, you can press locate others, and it locates people within your immediate vicinity who are also using the app, and it returns you to the number of people who are there, which can help you, which can help your decisions, pretty much. We have a positive/negative COVID-19 test functionality. Essentially, you press the positive negative function and you can input whether you've been tested negative or positive for COVID-19 and we store it in our database. We also have a worldwide cases tracker, which tracks the number of current cases and recovered cases. We have a reminders and reports feature, which essentially the reminders feature reminds you throughout the day to wash your hands and do other essential things, and reports to you the number of people who use your app and other, report stuff. In the desktop version of our app, we have a budget calculator, which helps calculate expenses. We have a self-diagnose feature. We have a more in-depth case tracker, which is regional. And we have an AI-powered chatbot. Pretty cool. So I want to go over the architecture of our mobile app. We use a Google database called Firebase, and pretty much our apps tap into that database and in some occasions change it. We also use a Flutter SDK, which is essentially one code base that provides to you iOS, Android, and even web applications. So now I'm going to show you a quick demo. Let's get right into that. So now I'm going to be demoing the app. On the left hand side we have an Android emulator, on the right hand side we have an iOS emulator. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to register a new user. I'm going to call them sample donor 1@gmail.com. I'm going to enter my password 123456. Click on donor and then register. Now we just need to log in. Sample donor 1@gmail.com. 123456. Log in. And there we go. So now on the Android side, let us register as a recipient. Let's call ourselves sample recipient 1@gmail.com. And our password will be 123456. And now if we register on the right hand side, we should see that username appear on the donor screen. There we go. So now sample recipient 1@gmail.com, and our password was 123456. Let's log in. And now we should have our sample donor appear on the left. Cool. Now if you would like, we can chat with the donor. And for example, these are the chats that the donor sent. And these are the chats that other people sent, donor1@gmail.com. So now I can send hello, send, and there we go. These are just old chats. And there's a group chat functionality. So now if I go back, I can go to the check around me feature, click to get a location, allow once, and now there are 0 people near you. So what I can do now is, if I go check around me here, click to get location, there are 0 people around near you. We just have 0 users registered for this. Now go back. And Now we can test the record result feature. So now we can go to positive, press submit, and now that's stored in our database. Thank you for watching this demo, and I'll see you later.